Hey family, welcome to a haunted house. I'm Star. In this video I want to give you another brunch video, but this time a little different. We want to do a brunch picnic setup in the park. You can also do this at home, but I thought that I'd do it in the park this time just for a change of scenery. So I want to show you how I do that. By the way, this video is sponsored by Tropical Moscato. That will be our beverage of choice for today's brunch. And I'll tell you a little bit more about them in a second. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below. Give this video a like and tell me what you think in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. One thing I want to say is that preparation is the key to a good picnic. You need to make a list and prepare for everything that you need ahead of time, a week before, the day before. If you're doing this with friends, I'd advise you guys splitting up the responsibilities. So someone be in charge of the food and make sure that you get all the food squared away. Somebody be in charge of the setup, make sure the setup is all squared away, and someone might be in charge of the drinks, whatever. That way it'll just make it a little bit more manageable, especially if you're not doing it at somebody's house, because if you have to go to a location, it'll be a little bit harder to make sure that you have things that you might be missing once you get there. Tropical Moscato wines comes from the highly regarded Piedmont region of Italy, produced with Moscato grapes known for their floral nose and soft sweetness of character. And they are also infused and blended with 100% real fruit. Today we are featuring the Mango Moscato and the Passion Fruit Moscato. These wines pair really well with fruit, aged cheeses, and desserts. Okay, so let's move on to our picnic setup. We decided to bring a tarp for the base of our picnic. This is because we're having a brunch in the morning, so there's always some morning dew still on the ground. So we thought that we add the tarp for a moisture barrier before putting down our rugs. I got a few rugs from Five Below, of course, for only $5 each, and that's what we use as the as our blankets in the place of actual blankets for our picnic. And for our picnic tables, we got these pallets. I actually got them for free off of OfferUp. You can look on OfferUp, Let Go, Craigslist for free pallets, or you can get them at very low cost most of the time, used as well for a few dollars. And this is a low cost option for a picnic table. And because pallet wood isn't really my style, I knew that I would cover it up with tablecloths. So I purchased fabric, really pretty fabric that I liked from the fabric store, and I used that as the base for my tablecloths. Also, I definitely washed off the pallets before I used them as well, so make sure if you use pallets for your picnic table that you make sure that you clean them off before you use them. And I also wanted some greenery, so I created this garland effect with some dried eucalyptus. I also used some additional fabric to add some layers to the table as well in the form of table runners. I opted for woven placemats, white plates, and ivory linen napkins, knotted casually for a laid-back table setting. I used gold silverware for this table setting as well. So for my floral arrangement, I used a mixture of dried and faux stems that I purchased from Joann's and Hobby Lobby, and I put them in a vase that I purchased from Hobby Lobby as well. I also recommend adding some extra pillows and cushions as well, just for extra comfort and also for extra style. I think it really zhuzhes up the space. Okay, so if you want it, you could stop this here and this would be a beautiful look for a picnic. but you know me, I have to take it up to the next level. So I'm going to show you how I do my grazing table. So I started off by adding a sheet of butcher paper across the table. And this is going to be a surface that I can add food to without having to have a dish to put everything on. So I just start by adding my dips and then also fruit around the bottles of wine, and then just adding food to the spread in a way that I think just looks nice. So I added some meat, some cured meats, some hard cheeses, more fruit, more crackers and bagels and croissants, and just anything that you want. And it's really important to make sure that the things that you choose for your brunch pair well with your drink of choice. And so these items paired well with our drinks, and this is how it turned out. Be sure to check out the description box. I'll leave links to everything that I can find in the description box below. I didn't mention these iceless wine chillers that I have here. They are perfect for a picnic. We chilled the wine ahead of time, put them in these acrylic chillers, and they kept the wine cold for the duration of our outdoor picnic in Georgia heat. So that's good. Make sure you check the description box below. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and until next time, love Star.